Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. This video is for Cullen in Iowa, and here we have the throttle body from E420. It's a rare unit. It's an ASR unit, E-Class V8, and here it is on the bench test after repair. Now it's been on the bench since probably like around 10 hours for sure, non-stop, and it's been working fine. Now there were a few issues here with the unit. Number one, the wires, of course. Number two, there was lots of oxidation. I did my best, but certain areas, like those areas right there, this oxidation, I couldn't get it off. It's very tough. It's been on forever ago, so therefore it's embedded almost. But if you remember how it was terrible. I had to kind of, like, you see the surfaces, they're like etched a little bit. Not critical, I mean, it's just the outside. Inside, yes, there was some dirt inside and wear. And the third thing is the clutch coil was bad. Yeah, the clutch coil was dead, completely like open circuit, so I did have to, I had to repair it. I fixed it up. So now it's been on the bench just to test, and all seem to be just fine. Here is the temperature. As you can see, it hits 111, pretty hot. Just the room temperature is like 71, and throttle temperature is over 110, just to show that it's been active for quite a little bit. Now I have, this is the underside of the unit. Had to realign the plate. Now this is also a little strange. I haven't seen them like that. See, the plate is whitish. It's kind of strange. The cover is not tight yet, because after a bench test I opened them up just to double check internals. See, only one bolt and the other ones are open. Here is fine. I don't have to do anything there. Now the activation is nice and smooth now, very light. I had to realign a few things just because it has to be very light. Otherwise it can jam, and then ASR light can come on. Now it's pretty fluid. I like this. See, it's just moves like fluid kind of movement. Very, very light. That's great. The surface is cleaned off well. Okay, so this is the operation. Let's take a look at readouts. So the star diagnostic is hooked up. So we got the readouts. The usual readout, like I said, 424, 425, 0.45, right there in the mid-range. Like 4.24, 25, that is where they all sit with this particular control module I use. And 0.45 throttle range supposed to be from 0.4 to 0.6. That's the throttle position sensor here. And it's right there in the middle. It's pretty good. Micro switches also, this controller shows me micro switches position, so when I open the throttle, they're supposed to switch over. And of course, we have our readings to change as well. Don't mind that jumping, that's the software glitches. It's been doing this since day one. So, but most importantly, like I said, the switches register, voltages change, everything seemed to be right on point. Like I said, unit has been on for over 10 hours and it's never shut off, so that is basically all. It is all good work in peace now. So everything is done. This is the new loom, and yeah, basically it's ready to go. You would need new holes here, need new gasket on the bottom here, of course, because to be replaced. All right, so this is a quick one, and yeah. So we're all ready to go here. Alright, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.